Hi fellow enthusiasts, welcome to my channel. We want to say a special thank you to the returning subscribers. But if you're new to this channel, take a few moments to subscribe to this channel. Hit on that subscription icon right there, and also click on the notification bell so when we post new videos, you will be one of the first to know. Without further ado, let's go into today's video, and we're going to come back at the end to wrap it up. Alright, so I promised last time in this video series I was going to show you how to customize the web lookout for the camera web server. So this is what we're going to do. It's going to be a quick video, so just watch carefully and feel free to pause the video at any time to understand or rewind to just do what we've done in this video. So you have this camera web server open. So how to access it again, you're gonna go file example, and you pick the camera web server example that we looked at last week, or in our last video. Sorry, last week we took off because of the Christmas break. So you go to this tab, on the third tab, the camera index, and you need to copy this hex code, and I'm gonna give you a link in the description where you go to convert this code. So this is actually your web code, or it's a hex version of your code, HTML. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'll go to the first link I'm going to show you, and I'll paste it there to convert it to HTML, and then edit it and then convert it back to hex. So on this web page, you're gonna paste the HTML code, the hex code here. I'll send you the link so you don't have to worry about how to create the recipe. But these are the recipe you have to get. You get them from here, the operations. You just search for them, find and replace. Find / replace. You're gonna drag this over. You're gonna drag the rest of the remove white spaces. You're gonna drag it over from hex. You're gonna drag over. Gun zip, you're gonna drag over. And so right here I'm gonna paste the hex code, and under here I have the code converted to HTML. Turn everything on that I've turned on. I'm gonna check spaces, line fits, global match. You're gonna turn these on, right? And you're gonna make sure the hex is running and gun zip is running. So just go here and copy the output. So I'm gonna copy that, and that's my HTML. Then I can edit that HTML. So I'm gonna go to any text editor. So let's do text editor. Alright, so here's the text version of the HTML code. Right, so now I can save this and run it from my desktop and see what it looks like. So I can do save as, and I call it say custom server. Let's call it custom server .html. Remember that, custom server.html. We'll save that, and then when we go to the desktop and we launch custom server.html, it gives us this page, right? So this is the page that we have by default and all the functions. So what you're gonna do is go back to your HTML code and remove the functions that you don't want. Remove all the functions you don't want. And once you're done, you save it back. So we're going to take out some functions. Let's just take a few quickly, right? So let's look for brightness. So Control F, and we'll look for brightness. All right, take that off, the whole div for brightness. We're going to take this off, and we're going to save this again, save, and we're going to refresh the page. Brightness is gone. Let's take saturation out, and we can just take saturation out from here. Saturation is out. Let's take sharpness out. Take sharpness out. input the noise. Let's take this out and we'll save it again. We'll refresh the page. Yeah, those are gone. You can do that for the rest of the functions you don't need. So we're just gonna grab a bunch of them that we don't need, or just a bunch at random actually. So let's just start from here and go as far as we can go, and then just cut some off and continue. Right, so let's go. Okay, maybe we'll stop here for now. Let's delete this for now, and then Control S to save, or File and save to refresh this page. Right, so this is all you have left now. If these are the functions you want, we're just gonna try this and hope that that's what you want. We'll go back to the HTML code and copy it again. Select all, copy, and we're gonna go back and reconvert this. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the second link I'm gonna share with you. You're gonna put the HTML code here, and right down here it's converted back to hex for you. So you need to copy this hex, and go back to your Arduino IDE and use the new codes to replace all these. Alright, so I'm gonna replace all that. And one more thing, so I've replaced the old code with the new code, and you just need to add the length, or the size, right? So we just want to get the size and put it here. To get the size, go back to where you copy the code from, and you're gonna turn a few things off. So here, there's where we copy the code from. So we're just gonna go turn off to hex. We're gonna make sure that is off, disable operation, and split, disable operation, and then you get a new length. This is your new length. Copy this new length, 3641. Copy that, 3641. Over to your Arduino IDE. Right here, 3641. 3641. 3641. Save and upload your code. Check the code, upload your code, and you're good to go. This is how you can create a custom web server. Custom web server, so easy. I'm gonna share the two links with you, so you don't really have to do anything. I'm gonna make it easy for you. So you come in here in the first one, you put the hex code, get it converted to HTML, copy the HTML, edit it, go to the second link I'm gonna put in the description, put your new edited code, convert it to hex again, and remember, when you're converting it, you have to turn the hex, enable hex to hex, and then split. I've already done the selection, so you have 0 for split delimiter, 0x, but I've already done the selection for you. So all you need to do, just copy this and put it over in your Arduino IDE and upload your code, and the web will look something like this. Okay. Alright, thanks for sticking around to the end. That'll be it from us today. Please, if you have not subscribed, do so right now, and don't forget to like and share this video. Until we come your way again with more contents, stay enthused.